बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ नेसेसिटी में हम एक केस डिस्कस करेंगे, स्टेट वर्सेस डॉसो एंड और भी बहुत से जो सिग्निफिकेंस केसेस हैं इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वो डिस्कस करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। तो मेन टॉपिक होने वाला है स्टेट वर्सेस डॉसो केस। इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट लेते हैं। State versus Dosso is a simple case of murder committed by a person named Dosso in Balochistan. He was convicted under the tribal system of justice by Loya Jigra as enumerated in FCR Frontier Crimes Regulation. Again, I will repeat. State versus Dosso is a simple case of murder committed by a person named Dosso in Balochistan. He was convicted under the tribal system of justice by Loya Jirga as enumerated in FCR Frontier Crimes Regulation, but his relatives approached to the Lahore High Court, which repealed the decision of Loya Jirga. Later on the appeal of federal government, Supreme Court reversed the decision of Lahore High Court. The case got prominence because it indirectly questioned the legitimation of martial law imposed by Iskandar Mirza on 7th October 1958. Background देख लेते हैं इस केस का। A murder took place in the Loralai district of Balochistan by a person named as Dosso. He was arrested and was handed over to the Council of Elders, Loya Jirga. The tribal authorities charged him under FCR, Equality of All Before the Law. The Lahore High Court decided the proceedings of Council of Elders as null and void under FCR 1901. Effect of Lahore High Court. The effect of this decision were that after the declaration of FCR as repugnant to the Constitution, then the validity of those cases were questioned, which were decided under FCR since long before it was enacted, and especially since 1956 when the new Constitution was promulgated. Appeal in the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The federal government of Pakistan went into an appeal in Supreme Court against the verdict of the Lahore High Court. The Supreme Court decided 13th October 1958 as the date for hearing the case. But prior to that, on 7th October 1958, a drastic change came in the political history of, and if 1956 Constitution was still enforcing, then force was the role of martial law regulation, i.e. laws continuation in force. Order 1958. In short, it would have been a challenge to the martial law administration. Judgment of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court decided the case unanimously against the verdict of Lahore High Court. Supreme Court decision was based on the Hans Kelsen theory of legal positivism, means necessity of the doctrine of necessity. Main point aspects of the judgment. Legislation of 1958 martial law. The judgment held that 1958 martial law imposition is a kind of revolution, peaceful revolution, which is not resisted or opposed by the common people. This clearly defines that the people are happy with this martial law, provided with absolute powers in the hands of martial law administrator, who generously used it for next 10 to 11 years. Halt democratic process. Verdict of Supreme Court halted the democratic process of Pakistan, which had recently been on the road after the promulgation of first Constitution of Pakistan on 23rd March 1923 and threw the country onto the track of the dictatorships, then deprivation from constitution, and encouraged military interventions. So this is the case we will discuss. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.